2.3 to 1 right now.
Okay.
If I flip the subs, I'm probably
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Whoa. Hey, you want to give me a demo?
Yeah, I'll give you a demo.
All right. Whoa. This is an extended port. This is different.
Yeah, I still gotta play for some.
Did you ever, just curious, to keep your back seats before? Did you ever do anything for the back seats before the port?
Yeah, I had the port inside before, but it's louder with the port extended.
When you extended the port like this, it was louder?
Mm-hmm.
On the lows and the highs, or both, or just in general?
I don't really play too much lows right now.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Wow, this looks good.
Yeah, the brace right now, the one going across right now, is broken, so you might hear it rattle a little bit.
Okay. So what all, equipment-wise?
I got 4 EM audio, 3 K-line 12s. Got 2 Synergy 45.1s. One limitless 70 amp hour. I got a CES 320 under the hood. Bunch of Sky High 2 Watt. I still need to do the doors, so the doors aren't done yet. Voltage is a little low.
Did you ever meter it?
Yeah, it does a 56.5 in the kick.
Oh, 56s, wow. Bandwidth. Did you, do you know the specs of the box?
Yeah, it's 4.5 sealed, and it's 10.8 ported.
Okay. Like a 2 to 1, 2.5. All right.
2.3 to 1 right now.
Okay.
If I flip the subs, which I'm probably gonna do when I get home, it'd be 2.8 to 1.
Yep.
I just need to do some more testing.
Okay. All right. How low does it play down right now with them like inverted?
Right now it's probably like mid 30s.
Mid-30s. So if you post them regular, it might be louder, but you might lose lows.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a lot of testing. Just
Yeah, test and tune.
Plays lots of highs.
Okay. All right.
interesting, dude.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Wow, dude, that high note, that frequency around, I'd say, what, 48, 50 hertz range?
Yeah,
A little higher
peaks,
even.
It peaks at 46 right
46?
now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Thanks for showing me the demo, man.
Oh, you're
I
welcome.
appreciate it. Yep. What was your name?
It's Patrick.
Patrick.
Ashley.
Okay. All right, Patrick Ashley. Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you, man.
Oh, yeah, it's good to meet you.
Yep. Oh, it's getting dark out.
Yeah, I'm about to head home in a minute.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.